So I'm in my garden and I just realised there's a flower that I hadn't realised had survived. I think it's a black hollyhock. Looks lovely. Let me show you. This one. The size of the flower is about this width of my hand. We've got those two, well 3 opened up and a load more coming. So that's lovely. I also noticed, I don't know if this is a Rebecca or something like that, but that survived nicely as well. So I'm happy about that. I still haven't planted most of these verbena. I'm dotting them around the garden, but I grew them from seed, so there's going to be loads. I still got a few more plants to plant out that I bought, but most of it is stuff that I've sown myself. But it's squeezing in between all of the other jobs. Yeah, I've still got to try and keep up with the weeding. It's not too bad, but it's not how I'd like it. So this, I don't know if it's a hibiscus, the purple flowers, that's flowering now, and I've got a load of plums on this tree. I'm not sure. That's probably a bit better. So some of them have gone a little bit past it, but I'm slowly getting there. So good morning, I'm down the plot. I need to water before it's too hot, do a bit of weeding, clearing up, cutting a few more tomato leaves off, just all the normal, what I call catch-up stuff, and try and make sure that I don't get eaten by bugs. Oh, and probably some picking of raspberries. So yeah. And all that before it gets too hot. Shouldn't complain. This is a rare, lovely sunny day for the summer with the amount of rain we've had. I should be appreciating the sunshine. It will help ripen my tomatoes. Now, despite there's nasturtiums coming up, if we come in closer, yes, there's a few weeds, but there is quite a lot of carrots, especially in rows of it. So, okay, not so many at the end there, and not so many on this bed, but I'm quite pleased that that many came up. I sowed them a couple of weeks ago. I have poured a few of these carrots, but a lot of them are not quite big enough, so we'll see. But hopefully, because these are Autumn King, I should get some late in the year, or maybe into the winter a bit. So I know it might sound a bit funny, but I can officially say Helen's got melons. I can see at least 2 on the plant. So let me show you. My melons. We come down here. There is one. And just down there at the back, there's the second. I think that may be it. I could have sworn there was another one, but I do not see another one. So I have just 2. Oh, no! I stand corrected, there is number 3. So let's see this year if I can eat them before the wildlife gets them. Because I had one last year and the wildlife stole it. Anyway, on with the work. I think I'm going to start with pulling up weeds, pulling up stuff around here, on here, and just gradually work my way along. I think that's going to be the most sensible way to tackle it. But what I do need to do is pick my lovely autumn raspberries. There's some gorgeous yellow ones as well. Okay, aside from weeding all the paths on the right hand side, and I've watered. So I haven't weeded the path down the middle, and I haven't weeded on the raspberry side. But it's kind of a third done, and you know, the whole plot. So I think I'm quite pleased with that progress. Let me show you. These little side paths, I've pulled up weeds, I've swept soil so that they are clear, well, as clear as I can get them. Some of them need to dry out a bit, but it means that each of these side paths I don't have to worry about now, well, not now, next time I'm down the main path. It's got lots of weeds dumped on it. It's also got lots of weeds growing up in between the pavers. So that'll be my next task. And then there's the side paths here. Just because you've got weed fabric or black plastic or slabs doesn't mean to say there's no weeding. This just means less. Well, I've done all that weeding, I've done watering, done a bit of pruning and a bit of harvesting. It's still warm. It's not hot, it's still quite warm. So I think that will do for now. I'm off home. Thanks for watching, bye for now.